Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video. Okay, today we continuing our segment this month of the high school. I keep saying high school. We'll just say school cafeteria menu items. So today I'm gonna be doing a video or something. This is very easy, y'all. You'll see how easy this is. Today I'm doing some cafeteria rolls. You know them nice soft cafeteria rolls we should get in school. Put the butter in between it, nice and fluffy and awesome. I bake all the time, especially I bake this bread. If I could bake every day for a living, I'd do it. I love cooking cakes and pies and cookies and breads and nothing like the smell of fresh bread in the oven. So anyway, enough talking. Let's get to the recipe here. It's very simple. This is more simpler than my, what I do, pizza dough before. You don't have to bloom the yeast. You don't have to do that. You're going to put everything together, mix it together, knead it out on the board, and let it proof. So anyway, let's get started. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put all my dry ingredients. I got salt here. My yeast I'm putting right in the flour. Sugar here. I'm going to mix all this stuff here together. Mix it all together here. You know, in my pizza recipe, I kind of bloomed the yeast and woke it up. This is going to be easy. You're going to put everything in here, mix it together, put it on the cutting board, knead it a little bit, and it's ready. So I put all that in my bowl here. Okay, I'm going to add my milk, and milk needs to be lukewarm, and the butter also. You can't have it, of course, like I told you before, you can't have it too hot, these ingredients, because it will kill the yeast. So you want to do the butter lukewarm. Way I do it, put the milk in the microwave. If you got a glass, a measuring cup like this or whatever, for 45 seconds. It'll be perfectly lukewarm. That's the temperature you want. That's a little tip. So I'm going to add the milk in here. Throw the eggs in here too. Y'all will be making, y'all gonna be making rolls all the time. You see how easy this recipe is, y'all. Very simple. While I'm waiting on that, I'm gonna put a little flour on my board here. I knead it out. Gonna get a little like this. Just keep kneading it a little. Gonna try to be a little resistant, don't worry. There we go. Takes about 4 minutes to do this. That's it, y'all. See how easy it was? Okay. Take the dough out of here. Now we're gonna put it on our cutting board here, and we're gonna kind of knead it a little. I'm just trying to get the gluten going in here. And I use all-purpose flour. In the recipe, I might have bread flour. Bread flour can work. But this is all-purpose flour right here. You don't necessarily need bread flour. It'll work for all-purpose flour. If you don't bake a lot, it's no sense in going out and buying bread flour unless you bake a whole lot. I just don't happen to have bread flour right now, so just use all-purpose. Okay. What I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna shape it into a ball. What I'm doing now, and I'm gonna let this proof for 45 minutes. I told y'all the trick of the putting the oven on 350 and set the bowl on top of the oven, not in the oven. Put it on. Make sure you put it on top of the oven. So what it is, put this in. Make sure the bowl is greased. Another thing I like to do, I like to spray on top of my dough. You can butter it. I spray on top of it so it doesn't get a skin on top. Just get a good, clean kitchen towel, lay on top, and that's it. We're gonna let this proof for about 45 minutes. We'll come back 45 minutes, and I'll show you the next step. We're gonna roll it out, put it in the pan. We're gonna let it proof again. So it's 2 proofing methods on this. That's the only thing. It takes a little longer because you gotta let it proof 2 times. So we'll be right back in 45 minutes. All right, y'all, we are back here. Okay, let's see what we got here. All right, now you see the dough has risen there, doubled in size. That's what we want. See that? Nice dough there. Okay, now what I'm gonna do here, we're gonna roll this out, and we gotta after we roll it out, we're gonna pan it up, and we gotta let it proof again. So what I do, put it out on the board here, mash it down. A little bit more. Then we're gonna get the rolling pin here. We're gonna roll it out here. Make as we can here. Like I say, making bread, y'all, is so simple. Some people are intimidated by it. You shouldn't be, because there's nothing to it. Roll this out as thin as we get. Get some flour up on here. That's the key. If it got a little resistance, just leave it alone for a second. Because it don't want to be rolled out. It want to stay like it is. It's going to try to resist on you, but gotta show it to you, gonna win the battle. So I'm trying to get it as a kind of rectangular square shape as I can. So just let it relax a little. And show it who's boss. Make sure it knows that you're gonna roll it out no matter what it's going to do. That you're in control. I use my board so it kind of gives me some kind of a measurement how big I want it. And that's it. Now, that's how simple it's going to be. There's different ways you can do this, but I'm going to show y'all the easiest way and less intimidating way that y'all can do this. Okay. You can take it up, roll it in balls, put it on the pan. You can kind of do different designs, but I'm going to do it the easiest way that I know how to show y'all. I'm going to cut it in squares. We're going to cut it in squares here. Trying to get it even as I can, y'all. And we're going to put it in the pan in squares. Just like we're making chicken and dumplings. This don't have to be perfect, y'all. That's it. Now, all we're going to do, we're going to put it on the pan just like this, in squares, just like this, y'all. Just like that. And kind of leave an inch between each roll, because they're gonna definitely, when they proof up, they're gonna come together, stick together. Well, I guess you couldn't say stick together. Y'all can't see this, I'm gonna show y'all in just a second. Cause I always make a lot of these when I make them, because I freeze them whenever I want rolls. And see these, y'all? Okay, I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna get another pan and put these in, and I'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back. Okay, I got a pan here, and then I made an extra pan. Now, what we gonna do now? We're gonna get another towel here, another clean towel. I'm gonna cover these up again. Put a towel over the top. Get another towel that's clean. Make sure you use clean towels, y'all, of course. And put on top of here a little dish towel. We're gonna let these set in about 45 minutes. Like I said, the only part that takes a long time is the proofing time. Other than that, making the rolls in the mixer, rolling them out, cutting them, is the easy part. It's just the proofing time that takes a long time. So we're gonna let these proof about 30 45 minutes, and we'll be right back when they put them in the oven. All right, y'all, we are back here. Okay, let's check out our rolls here. They've been proofing about 30 minutes. Look at that. See how they popped up right there? Let me get the other pan here. Okay, that's what we want. Now, what we're gonna do, we're gonna put them in the oven 15 20 minutes, and we're gonna have some good old school dinner rolls, y'all. Put them in here. I got a pan here in the way. Still need to pull out. Okay. Put them in the oven. All right, 15 20 minutes, and we'll be right back with some good old school dinner rolls. That's like in high school, y'all. All right, y'all, we back here. Okay. Bread is ready here. Look at them rolls. Old school rolls, y'all. Oh yeah. What we're gonna do, we're gonna put some butter on these. Look at that. Ain't go wrong with this. Gotta have that butter on there. But like I said, you can cook them close together, but I did them further apart here. Oh yeah. Can't go wrong with that. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. These over here on the side. Look at this here. So we're gonna let them cool just a bit here, and we're gonna come back here and we're gonna try these out. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back. Okay, we're gonna try. Got a little butter here. Gotta have some butter in between there. Let's get one of these. Oh wow, see that smoke coming out of there? These are so hot, y'all. Some butter in between those. Look at that. Like you remember. Like you remember, y'all. Look at that. I have some butter in there. So fluffy. Nice and moist. I can get a dozen of these. So y'all go check out the video. Go check out the video. Go check out my other social media account. I mean, this bread is so good, just bringing back memory. Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Until next time, have a blessed old school soul food day.